Everyone, we are from the team TerraQuest and this is a robot for the event Call of Duty. This is a picker robot. As you can see, it consists of 4 wheels at the base and 2 of them are being powered by 2 motors, and these are the real wheels, and the front one are free to move. All these are attached to the base. The base also consists of a tower and an arm, and this tower can be rotated by a motor placed below the base, as you can see right over here. Now this arm is used to pick up the fuse poles by moving it in up and direction. As you can easily see, it is a slider. Both the arm and the tower are a slider, and they can be moved in the up and down direction to pick up the fuse poles. Now coming to the arena, as you can see here, this is the same picker robot. It is placed on the rails. Now this arm will be used in moving it to the down direction and picking up the fuse poles, and then the picker robot moves to the front and transports the fuse poles through its arm to the transporter robot.
That we have seen in the Pro A design. In this model, the motors are clamped at the base, which rotates the slider in the horizontal direction, and the slider which rotates up and down, and the wheels which are clamped in base of the model. And this model is under construction.
This is the design of the transporter robot. It is same as the picker robot, except from the 2 towers which are present at the base, behind the original tower, which consists of the arm, and these towers are for providing the overhead switching locomotion mechanism for the overhead rails. As you can see, it consists of 3 wheels right at the top of these towers, and these are also sliders. Now as the robot approaches below the overhead rails, these wheels are connected through the belt and pulley through these motors present at the base, and these motors become idle at the time we are at the overhead locomotion mechanism. So these motors will rotate, and they will transmit the power to these to the overhead wheels, and they will then make the robot move in just the perpendicular direction of the base rails. And for the transport of the fuse poles from the picker robot to the transporter robots, here we are having the same type of slider right over here in just the same opposite direction, and it moves in the forward direction and picks the fuse poles with the help of these forceps, which are placed in the form of grippers, and they can be used to drop the fuse poles right below the rails. Now coming to the arena, this is the transporter robot. It is placed right over here, and it can translate on these rails. Now as the robot approaches right below the overhead rails, these sliders then translate in the upward direction, as you can see, and they fix themselves on the overhead rails, and then the power is given by these below motors by the motors placed right below the base, and this power is then transmitted to these wheels, and they start then translating on these overhead rails, and the whole body can be lifted through the rack and pinion attachment, which is placed on these sliders.